them up from the old tank, like that. Okay, so I'm just kind of set up all this over here for now. Yep, we'll get all these parts off first, and then we'll put all that back on later. Got that loosened. We're just going to take that dirt leg off now. And now we can get this one off now. Alright, so we got everything cut here. Now we just have to, let's see, this needs to be released, so let's see. Barely was on there actually. So we'll get that off there now. Let's see, got two clamps. Get the right Alright, so we got the finished water tank in. It's a really nice water tank. Put the new gas line in. Only had to change the size of the nick nipple there. It's one of these really fancy ones, A.O. Smith 5 Signature 500. It's got an inside vent. So I ran the PVC vent, connected it to what already existed here, and it vents out to the outside. And then I put a little there's a little vent grill thing outside that I put in that wasn't here before to keep rodents out. So all that's done, I ran these lines here, the flex lines, and CPVC, just continue to what was already in the system. I don't prefer that, but that is what they had, so I just continued with that, and then connected it, did a transition with the shark bites. Traditionally I would have used PEX, or if there was already copper there, but PEX is really supremely better, but this is what we had and it works great. No leaks, everything's wonderful, working great. And the plug is in up there, perfect. And I just put that other one in there, and that's all good to go. It's all been vented, and that's the old tank there. That one was pretty much done. As you can see, very bad shape. So that's it.